Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
And the weather this evening, you're going to see a big change, so make sure you've got a nice warm winter coat because temperatures will quickly drop through the 40s this evening into the 30s. We're going to see some rain and some snow move into the area. Already some rain moving into our northwest counties. Around the Dayton area, probably between about 7 and 9 o'clock, we'll see that precipitation begin to move in and then quickly transition over to snow with snow at 11 p.m. and temperatures will be dropping down to the mid-30s by that time. The snow primarily falls tonight, maybe a few flakes here and there early tomorrow at 8 o'clock, and actually some breaks in the clouds tomorrow morning, but then some more snow and rain showers mixed developing in the afternoon. We're going to see rain changing to snow tonight, 1 to 3 inches of accumulation over much of the area. Now there is a winter weather advisory farther to the north up toward Mercer and Auglaize counties, so some spotty 4-inch amounts expected there. Otherwise 2 to 3 inches from Greenville over towards Sidney, and you can see about 1 to 2 inches there from around Richmond, extending eastward along I-70 and farther to the south, generally an inch or less of accumulation. We'll see freezing temperatures tonight, slick spots around Wednesday morning, and then some snow and rain showers tomorrow afternoon. Another freeze on the way for Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. We get a little partial clearing, especially with some snow on the ground. We could be down into the 20s over parts of our region. Right now, most of the Miami Valley dry, but we're starting to see some rain moving into Mercer County, not too far west out toward Bern, Indiana, Huntington, Indiana. We're seeing snow being reported and snow back to the west into western Indiana, approaching Indianapolis, where they're starting to see some rain. So this will all move eastward as we go through the evening, and we'll get that precipitation going overnight. We have a low pressure center sliding up along a stationary front through northern Kentucky, where the sun's been out today, 60s in southern Ohio, and where it's been cloudy, 30s and 40s in the northern part of the state. Later tonight, low temperatures down to around 30 for us, some upper 20s even mixing in farther to the north, and then high temperatures tomorrow afternoon you can see climbing up into the low to mid 40s over our region. And then temperatures on Thursday expected to be mostly in the lower end of the 50s, upper 40s to low 50s across the Miami Valley. Right now in Dayton, we have falling temperatures, 52 degrees. Our winds picking up out of the north now, 16 miles per hour, starting to pull in that colder air. 47% the relative humidity with the barometer falling rapidly. It's only 41 at Wapakoneta, 48 at Greenville, Troy at 50, but then we have readings in the 60s down south at Wilmington. So not only did it end up being a 10 to 15 degree spread, it was a 20 degree spread over the region depending on whether you were under the clouds or out in the sun. Here's your future track forecast map. You'll see the precipitation move in tonight, and there you go around midnight 1 a.m. That's when we're going to be looking at some moderate to heavy snow falling across the region. Again, the ground temperatures are warm, so there's going to be some melting. That'll be the tricky part of the forecast, but it looks like grass and elevated surfaces where you've got a little bit of insulation could pick up the primary accumulation in the range of about 1 to 3 inches. We'll actually see the clouds break a little bit tomorrow morning after a chance of an early morning flurry, but then some more rain and snow showers filling back in the afternoon. Tonight, look for that rain going over to snow with accumulations of 1 to 3 inches and turning colder. North winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour and a low temperature late tonight, tomorrow morning down around 30. Breezy, cold tomorrow, some snow, some rain showers, some breaks in the clouds in the morning, and 43 for that high temperature. Still kind of breezy, a northwest wind at 10 to 15. 36 at 10 o'clock, 40 at noon. We're up into the low to mid 40s in the afternoon and into the evening with those scattered snow and rain showers. And then 52 the high on Thursday after morning lows in the upper 20s. A quick warm up Friday to 62, but a chilly start to the weekend with rain and temperatures in the 50s. But our payback for the cold weather and the snow tonight, how about some upper 70s a week down the road with mostly sunny skies? Brooke?